Hello, my name is Ben and I'm a teacher at Tute School, and today I'm going to show you a game that you can play at home called Dominoes. Now we're going to be using dominoes with dots on that we have to count. Some dominoes will have 1 dot, some dominoes will have 1, 2 dots, and some dominoes will have 1, 2, 3 dots. What you have to do is match the same dots, match the same number of dots. I'm going to be playing this game with Cher.
Hi.
And we're going to be playing dominoes. First of all, I need to share the dominoes so we have the same amount. So 1 for Cher, 1 for me, and we're going to keep going until all the dominoes have been shared. So there's your dominoes shared.
Thank you, Ben.
So I'm going to go first, and I'm going to pick this domino. So this domino has 1 dot here and 1 dot there.
Okay, so I need to find a domino that has got 1 dot that's the same. Let me have a look. Oh, I've got this one, Ben. So I've got a 1 and a 2. I can put the number 1 next to your number 1 and then it's the same.
Cher's found the same. She's found a number 1. What number do I have to find now?
Well, Ben, you could find another number 1, or you could find 1, 2, a card with 2 dots.
A card with 2. Let me have a look. I think I found one. I think this domino has 1, 2 here. So I'm going to put my domino down so it matches Cher's.
Oh, so I need to find one with 2 dots or with 1 dot. Let me have a look. Oh, this is a new one, Ben. I've got 2 dots, so that's the same. I can put it here. But this time, Ben, on the other side, there's 1, 2, 3 dots.
3. So I need to find one that matches the same with 1, 2, 3.
Or, Ben, you could find a number 1.
Oh, yeah, you can go from both sides. I think I have found 1, 2, 3. It's also got a 1 on it. So I'm going to put my number 3 there. So we've got 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Makes it harder for
it
Cher.
does make it harder because I have to find a number 1 or a number 1.
I might win this game.
Let's have a look. Ben, I've got a number 1. I'm going to put it on this side.
So Cher matched the number 1. That means I've got to match the 1, 2. And I think I've got one with 2 on it.
Well done, Ben. Oh, this is getting harder. So I could find one with number 2 dots or a 1 dot. And I've only got 2 dominoes left, but this one has got 1 dot on either side, so that's the same as this one.
So I've got to find one with 2 or 1, and my domino only has 3s. So Cher was the winner.
Let's see, Ben, if mine can match. And luckily, I've got another number 1, which is the same, which makes me the winner.
Cher's the winner. Well done,
Thank you,
Cher.
Ben.
If you play dominoes at home, your dominoes may go up to 6, or you could use dominoes with pictures, so you just have to match the pictures. So I hope you enjoy playing dominoes at home.
Have fun. Bye.